Close your eyes and imagine cruising down a winding coastal road, the wind in your hair, the hum of the engine beneath you, and every head turning as you pass by. That's not just a dream, it's the 2026 Retro Trike. A ride that's not just about getting from point A to B, but about rewriting the journey itself. With a design that screams vintage soul and a heart powered by modern innovation, this machine is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. This trike isn't your average three-wheeler. The 2026 Retro Trike is a nostalgic nod to the golden era of motor culture, blending the timeless style of the 60s and 70s with the slick tech of tomorrow. Chrome accents, leather saddle seats, and that iconic round headlight give it a classic presence, but don't let the vintage look fool you. Underneath, it's all cutting edge. Powered by a whisper-quiet electric motor, this trike delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and an eco-friendly ride that still packs serious punch. It boasts a top speed of 85 miles per hour and a range of nearly 150 miles on a single charge. Whether you're gliding through city streets or adventuring through open highways, it's built for both freedom and fun. And get this, thanks to its regenerative braking system, it charges while you cruise, giving you more time on the road and less at the charging station. But let's talk comfort, because what's the point of a cool ride if you don't feel like royalty on it? The 2026 Retro Trike comes with a full suspension system that smooths out every bump, a wide ergonomic seat with memory foam, and heated grips for those chillier rides. Add in a digital dashboard with navigation, Bluetooth, and even a built-in retro-style radio, and you're not just riding, you're living a vibe. Customization? Oh yes. This trike isn't a one-size-fits-all. Choose from an array of bold, vintage-inspired colors, burnt orange, ocean teal, sunburst yellow. Or even go full custom with leather trims, pinstripes, or chrome spoke wheels. Want to stand out at every stoplight? This is how you do it. And for those who love to turn heads, the Retro Trike isn't just admired, it's adored. Wherever it goes, phones come out, smiles spread, and strangers become curious fans. It's not just transportation, it's conversation. So whether you're a rebel with a soft spot for the classics or just someone craving a ride that breaks the boring mold, the 2026 Retro Trike delivers in every way. It's a love letter to the past, powered by the future. And once you ride it, there's no going back. Buckle in, rev it up, and let the road rewrite your story.